Previously on the
Frugal Female Traveler.
This place is absolutely beautiful. Well, apparently she did not keep my reservation, so I just drove 4 hours without a reservation. Gosh, this would happen. So I'm gonna have to stay in a hotel because there's no campsite. I'm driving to Pigeon Forge. I have a reservation for a hotel called Margaritaville Inn. I'm gonna drive there now. Should get there around 8, 9 o'clock, but it's a hotel, so I can go at any time. I'm gonna head out now. It is 9 o'clock. I'm a firm believer in everything happens for a reason, and I ended up here in Pigeon Forge. It's pretty cool. My room is awesome. I wanted to camp, but hey, I'll take it. I'm gonna show you around my room. This is the only room they had available, and there's a balcony that looks out to a frickin' Ferris wheel. It's just beautiful, and I get this all to myself. All right, let's go get some food. So dude, this is an actual little island. I didn't realize that. Everything is within walking distance, which is amazing. The guy at the front desk at the hotel was saying that everything closes around 9, 10. So I'm hoping I can get some food while some things are open, and then I'm gonna go to bed because I am exhausted. But I'm gonna explore some more tomorrow and then probably check out Gatlinburg, which I have never been to, I don't think, or at least I don't remember. I don't remember the place that I ate at, so we'll have to look it up and let you know, but I attempted to talk to the people at the bar next to me. I was not successful because, you know, I'm antisocial, but I tried. I smiled. I gave nonverbal cues to indicate that I wanted to be talked to. Of course, I did not talk to them, but hey, tomorrow's another night. I have to eat dinner again. We shall see. Good morning. I just woke up. I'm gonna make my coffee and then head out and explore.
Shining bright like a shine, dreaming high like the stars. Dancing through without cloud. And everything we search, I mean it. Every cloud has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, waste your time.
So I packed my bags and I'm ready to go.
Put down my dance, still stand tall. Believe yourself and keep on running. All about stay dreaming.
I'm still in Pigeon Forge. I'm gonna go find a postcard. I'm gonna head to Gatlinburg after. It's very touristy, which I was not expecting. I don't know what I was expecting, but I was not expecting this. Just got to Gatlinburg and the parking here is pretty expensive. So if you're trying to find cheap parking, I'm sure there's cheaper parking around. I wanna go on the Sky Bridge, I think is what it's called. I just parked right next to it. It was about $15 and it's right on the strip. Gatlinburg is a busy city. I did not realize how many people actually visit Gatlinburg, Tennessee. That's pretty cool. I'm excited to check some things out, and then hopefully I can get some coffee because that hotel coffee was not cutting it. We'll get coffee first, obviously, and then try the Sky Bridge because I think that looks fun. I was gonna get a postcard up here, but they wanted $7 for a postcard. The mountains. Gatlinburg is super touristy and definitely not as cheap as I thought it was gonna be, but it was worth the experience. Would I come back? Probably, but would it be my first choice? Probably not. I just got to Chattanooga and I'm waiting to go into Ruby Falls. I just got my ticket. I have about an hour to wait. They said there's like a tower that you can go up and kind of look out, so I might do that while I'm waiting. This is a cute town. I got some coffee at a coffee shop and it's just nice. The weather is amazing. It's like 60 degrees. My heart is happy.
Have a great Ruby Falls adventure.
Oh, I have a ticket, yep.
You got a paper ticket.
I do.
I'll take that part. You get to
Thank
keep the free one.
you.
Step around the corner, go to your right over by the window.
Welcome to Ruby Falls. The miracle of nature you're about to explore was discovered by a stroke of luck, when one man followed a big dream.
I'm the only one on this tour that's alone, but that's okay. Look at it. Hey guys, so I decided I'm going to head home now. I've been gone for about 5 days and I miss my dogs. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.